Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey. On this Dodge Journey we're going to go over where and how you would jump start this vehicle. You would first use the key to get inside and then also pop the hood and then you can get over to here. Now this is generally where a battery would be sitting, but in this vehicle particularly the battery is located way down under this front headlight, way down at the bottom, and so you can't really get down to that very well with your jumper cables. So say you've tried to start the car, you don't have enough power, it won't start, you get the click click or whatnot. This is where you'll find access to be able to hook your jumper cables up to. We have the red cover right here, and if you push it toward the back of the vehicle, that way we can get the unlock, and then you'll put your positive cable on here. This is the negative cable. You'd only use this for when if you're doing a battery charge, you can charge your battery this way by putting the two posts here and charge the battery that's down there if you need to just charge the battery. Now when we're doing a jump start, we'll put the positive here on our jumper cable. The order, we're gonna hit the positive and connect it here, and then you connect the positive on your donor vehicle or battery, right? And then you'll connect the negative on the donor vehicle or battery, and then you're going to hook this to a ground, and this bolt here is very good ground. That's part of the suspension, and so we'll ground it to that bolt, and then let it charge for a few minutes or more, and then be able to start your vehicle and be able to get home or to a repair shop to be able to check and make sure whether you need to replace your battery or alternator or a combination of both. So when you're done, you'll want to go in the same reverse order of removing this negative, remove the two cables from your other battery, and then remove the positive here. And so that's how you would jumpstart your 2016 Journey. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.